Welcome to this video on how to achieve financial freedom, strategies for long-term wealth building. Financial freedom means having enough money to support the lifestyle you want without having to work for the rest of your life. Achieving financial freedom requires careful planning and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective strategies for long-term wealth building that will help you achieve financial freedom. Assess your current financial situation. Before you start building wealth, you need to know where you stand financially. Take some time to evaluate your current financial situation. This includes calculating your net worth, evaluating your income, expenses, and debt, and setting financial goals. Knowing your current financial situation will help you create a plan that will work for you. To calculate your net worth, add up the value of all your assets, including your savings, investments, and property, and subtract your liabilities, such as credit card debt and loans. Once you know your net worth, it's time to evaluate your income, expenses, and debt. Look at how much money you earn each month and how much you spend on expenses like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Then, evaluate your debt, including credit card balances, loans, and mortgages. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more money towards your financial goals. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is an essential step towards achieving financial freedom. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. It helps you prioritize your expenses and make sure you have enough money to cover your needs and save for your goals. To create a budget, start by listing all of your income sources and expenses. Then, prioritize your expenses and allocate money towards your most important goals first. It's essential to stick to your budget once you've created it. This means tracking your spending and making adjustments as needed. There are many tools and apps available that can help you track your expenses and stay on budget. Sticking to your budget may require some discipline, but it's an essential step towards achieving long-term financial freedom. Invest for the long term. Investing is a crucial strategy for long-term wealth building. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, making long-term investments a powerful wealth-building tool. There are many different investment options available, including stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and more. It's important to diversify your investments to reduce risk and maximize returns. When investing for the long term, it's important to have a plan and stick to it. This means investing consistently over time and avoiding the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. With a long-term investment plan and the discipline to stick to it, you can build significant wealth over time. Build multiple income streams. In addition to investing for the long term, building multiple income streams can help you achieve financial freedom. Having multiple sources of income can provide a safety net and increase your earning potential. There are many ways to generate passive income, including rental properties, investments, and online businesses. You can also consider taking on a side hustle or freelancing to earn extra money. It's important to find income streams that align with your skills and interests and that can provide consistent income over time. Minimize your expenses. Another key strategy for achieving financial freedom is minimizing your expenses. Reducing your expenses can help you free up more money to invest, save, or pay off debt. Some tips for cutting expenses include negotiating bills, shopping around for the best deals, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. It's important to find a balance between enjoying your life and cutting unnecessary expenses. Pay off your debt. Debt can be a significant barrier to achieving financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances and personal loans, can eat away at your income and prevent you from building wealth. Paying off your debt should be a top priority in your financial plan. You can use strategies such as the snowball or avalanche method to pay off your debt, and it's essential to avoid taking on new debt while you work towards becoming debt-free. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline, planning, and consistent effort. By assessing your current financial situation, creating a budget, investing for the long term, building multiple income streams, minimizing your expenses, and paying off your debt, you can build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Start taking action towards your financial goals today, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.